Dude, I'm bored. Yeah, me too. I wish we could have something fun to do. Hello! Who are you? I am a magical fairy. I will grant you one wish. What is it? I wish we had something fun to do, like, okay, that's all, bye! Ugh, she never listens. Yeah, we got her so many times. Well, we did end up with something good, but I bet this time there's going to be nothing good. Yeah, right. Ooh. Ow, what is this? It's a